Hello everyone and welcome to another Feed Army video. My name is Emmanuel and today we will discuss an update in the policy regarding the shipping for min and max handling time in Google Merchant Center. If we have a look at the policy page, we can see now that it says if a customer places an order before the cutoff time and your products can be shipped on the same day, the order is placed, submit 0. Before this, you could submit only the value of 1 on the minimum handling time, but now you can set it to 0. This is very important that you update your shipping settings because one day can make a big difference for consumers deciding whether to buy from you or not. A lot of people are complaining that submitting shipping details are not always matching with what Google shows, so making sure that you submit 0 if that is the case, that you can ship out the same day, that you submit and change the handling time in your shipping details. Now, if you're using Shopify, make sure that you switch off manual automatic submitting the shipping details, because if you change it in Google Merchant Center, this will then override your settings and you don't want that. So make sure you switch it off in Shopify and then you can edit the settings in Google Merchant Center. Then if the maximum handling time is 1, then set the max to 1. So before you had to set minimum 1 and then maximum 1 if you're submitting the same day. Now you have to set it to 0 for the minimum handling time and maximum handling time is for the value 1. Make sure that it is 100% correct and matches your shipping policy on your website. Also check that the delivery times are visible on your website as well. Basically, everything that you submit in Google Merchant Center must be visible in your shipping policy as well. Don't try to hide anything. Be as transparent as possible to avoid any potential suspensions. That's it for today, so make sure you update your shipping settings as it is very important for the consumer to make a decision to buy from you compared to a competitor. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment downstairs and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!